PickaForm allows you to modify the forms easily. To modify a form, click on the button, Edit the form. You will see, on the left side of the screen, all the types of fields you can insert into the form. Choose a field, then drag and drop it in the form, on the right, at the place you want to insert it. A new window will appear and allows you to set up this new field. Enter the name of the field, which must be unique within the form. The different tabs of the window offer various options. In our example, we will adjust the size of the new field. When we modify the setup, we can see the result directly below. Once you have finished, click on OK, and that's it. Your new field is available in the form. To edit an existing field, double-click on it. To delete a field, click on it with the right mouse button, then choose the Delete option. When you have finished editing the form, click on the button Save and Exit. The form is now ready to use. In our example, the Comments field is now active, and we can input data in it. Thank you for your attention.